The market depth indicator called some very nice trades yesterday on Friday. February the 28th, 1545 can be a good time to try to go long the market into the close. And you see the blues leading the way as we get there. The market dips a little bit more, and yesterday's volatility a little bit more is about 20 points. You see what you see is the blues leading the way. But what this indicator up here on the first indicator tells you is how far the blues are leading. So, for example, maybe you didn't get this low and you think your opportunity is over. Look for a separation between the blues and the purples right here. Big separation. Big separation. You're in trend mode. You're going into the close. There's lots of volume. You want to catch the rest of that move into the close. There's only 7 minutes left. But some of the best trades can happen from 15 minutes before the close, for the stock market close, and then into the close of the futures 15 minutes after the stock market closes. And so when these blues start pulling away from the purples on these 1 minute or 15-second time frames, you can see a nice entry point here. You're not at the bottom, you're not picking the bottom, but you're picking a point from which the entry point is a low risk. So you get in here on this trade, close price right here is about 29.06, and if you ride this into the close, you're all the way up here at 29.64. That's 58 points, I believe, 58 points rally, and you see some more blue separation right here, and then more blue separation right here, and then you see some right here, 30 seconds before the close, the purple start leading the way. So you could start exiting here. So even if you got out right in here when the purple start leading the way, you're at 29.36. You capture about 30 points. You can capture about 30 points. And so I like to use this for entries. You see more blue separation here, more blue separation here. So even at these prices right here, and on a day like yesterday, it feels like the sky's the limit. They're looking at. You can assume that after this much volatility, they're trying to get above 3,000. So taking a trade here at 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when the price is at 29.74 after this rally, on a day like today, after it's bottomed way down here near the bottoms of 28.78, you know they're going to try to get to 3,000. They didn't, but it gives you the opportunity to catch a little bit of the move. Where were we? We're right here at 16.05, and you have blues here, so you have a close of 29.72. If you catch this move up, there's 16 points in that move, and you can trail that, and you have some more blues right here into the close. So blue, and the market is dipping blue, and then it drops. And a lot of times I like to use this as inflection point. So the blue, and then it drops, and look for a break either way. So I really love this indicator. It's really helped me out in some of my discretionary trades. It helps me stay with short trades or long trades as well. You can see throughout the day where the market sold off in here. The purples were leading the way, leading the way, leading away, leading away, and then they kind of ended here. So use this to help you with the trend. There's more blues in here, but the market is overall choppy. Purples are leading in this time frame, and so you can short the rallies here, and then in here it's kind of mixed, and then you see the market sell off, and the purples are leading the way. You see how much the purples are separated from the blues right in here. Lots of separation, the purples from the blues. So you look to short in here. This top line is purple. That means there's more bids than offers, and so they're pressing into the order book. They're selling into the order book, selling into the order book, selling into the order book, and then it stops. The blues and the purple start being more mixed in here. So you get a nice smooth trend on this separation right here. So it's subjective. It's not a trading system. Haven't made a trading system out of this yet because this is market depth data, and if you get disconnected and reconnected, all the data will disappear, and you have to wait for the data to come in from the order book. So that is Friday's trade from the market depth indicator perspective on the stock indexes, E-mini, S&P.